Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I'll show you what to do if your Windows settings won't open on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and how to fix it in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the sfc scan now command. To do so, press the Windows button, type in cmd, then run command prompt as an administrator. In here, simply copy-paste the following command that I posted in the description below. Afterwards, press on enter, but note that this scan will take a bit of time, so just relax, take your time and wait until it's finished. Afterwards, you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to use PowerShell to reinstall the pre-installed apps. To do so, right-click the Windows button, head over to Terminal as an administrator, and then the last thing you have to do in here is copy-paste the following command that I posted in the description below. Copy this one, press on enter, then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Next in line, you can also run the DISM scans, and this is super easy. The same with SFC scan, press the Windows button, type in cmd, then run the command prompt as an administrator. Now in here, copy-paste the following command that I posted in the description below, then press on enter. Wait until it's finished, because it can take a bit of time, then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution, even though it's more simple, is to update your Windows operating system. As simple as it may sound, make sure to do this because it can help quite a lot. So press the Windows button, head over to Settings, then click on Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on the Check for Updates button. Now wait until Windows will scan for the latest updates, and then if you have anything new showing up, make sure to download and install that update. Afterwards, restart your computer, and then you can check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.